vaccine is a substance used to stimulate the production of antibodies and provide immunity against one or several diseases. Not only should you keep yourself vaccinated, but you should keep your children vaccinated as well. Vaccines save lives and protect against the spread of disease. If you decide not to immunize your child, you are putting them at risk. The American Academy of Pediatrics states that most childhood vaccines are 90 to 99% effective in preventing disease. Vaccines save 2.5 million children from preventable diseases every year. For example, the measles vaccine has decreased childhood deaths from measles by 74%. The ingredients in vaccines are safe in the amounts used in them. The FDA requires up to 10 or more years of testing for all vaccines before they are licensed. The major medical organizations state that vaccines are safe. The FDA, which is the Food and Drug Administration, the IOM, which is the Institute of Medicine, and the CDC, which is the Centers for Disease Control, are all examples of medical organizations that state that these vaccines are safe. The most common side effect of vaccines would be a severe allergic reaction, and many people don't vaccinate their children because of this. Some might believe that vaccines are unnatural and that natural immunity is more effective than vaccines. Vaccines help protect large amounts of people who accumulate in and around the same area. Because almost everyone gets vaccinated for a specific virus or disease, this prevents an outbreak from occurring. A parent or parents can save money by getting their child vaccinated. Rather than taking time off of work to care for a sick child, and in this case, if the parent is also not vaccinated, they can also get sick, in which that would require them to take more time off work. And depending on the severity of the illness, medical attention may be required, which would cost the person more money. A 2012 CDC study shows that it costs a parent an average of 11 to 73 hours of wages, which is approximately $222 to $1,456 and up to $300 to $4,000 in medical expenses every year. When a child develops a contagious virus, it can last from anywhere from 8 to 30 days. Many vaccines are available to children and adults without copay. The Centers for Disease Control estimate that 732,000 American children were saved from death, and 322 million cases of childhood illnesses were prevented between 1994 and 2014 due to vaccination. All 50 states are required to give vaccinations for children entering public schools, even though no mandatory federal vaccination law exists. I have been up to date with all vaccinations and personally have never experienced any adverse effects from them. I understand that everybody will react differently, but I encourage each and every one of you to promote vaccines so you and your friends and family stay healthy.
Is that it? Or stop?